ole tum video chuan video massa a kan explain to tho kha ania ma se question number hi asangin aron da a chuan enge a chodan kalphung chodan khachu ngai vek tho ania kanon chakanga question number 5 exercise 3.1 question number 5 khania a question kha a text akan page number 29 exercise 3.1 question number 5 write the quadratic polynomial the product and sum of whose zeros are minus 13 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 frontier tahian solution minus 13 by 5 le minus 3 by 5 kha product le sum ania product le sum ani product kha ama sajok value chu minus 13 by 5 khania then sum chu anung jok value kamo chu minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 kha kha nge asam jok khania chen hian kan je gang let px let px be the required polynomial. Okay. Polynomial kan du kha px lo ni ta se kan dinan chama therefore to mi ma chon question a hian enge min pek we have product of zeros product of zeros that is nge product khan te kan ti then kha alpha into beta kan ti then tra product of the two values two x value pani te punti ra chhuak kha product kan tia here we are given product minus 13 by 5 hey hi product chunia chuan enge kan na nei lekha sum of zeros pokan nei tra sum of zeros also given the question sum of zeros is we can say sum of zeros alpha plus beta kan ti alpha plus beta here alpha le beta value kan nei lo van ma se a sum coming to top ani chu here sum is minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 hey sum ania therefore enge kan je don ka polynomial px kan je don dan ti hey let px be the required polynomial kan ti px kan ti kan form thin px is given by x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0 this is the formula to form polynomial so x square you can take it down as it is minus alpha plus beta is given alpha plus beta is minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 x plus alpha into beta also given alpha into beta is here we have minus 13 by 5 minus 13 by 5 equal to 0 so bracket x square minus into minus plus 3 by 5x again here also minus into plus will be minus 13 by 5 equal to 0 so here this coefficient of x is 3 by 5 that is fraction or we can say this is a rational number and the constant term also rational number so we have 5 and 5 denominators coefficient of x here 3 by 5 and constant term 13 by 5 both the denominators are 5 so you have to eliminate this 5 how will we eliminate this you have to multiply each term by 5 so here we have 1 2 3 terms three terms kan ya. So the three terms you have to multiply each term by 5. And wanging a 5 in can multiply. Actually, you have to take LCM from these denominators, and that LCM you have to multiply with each term. LCM lak turnya mas. Tahian 5 le 5 LCM ka 5 ani wangin 5 ka direct in karon say 5 common nga thin ito. X square into 5 plus 3 by 5 into 5. Then here we have x minus 13 by 5 into 5. Here right side also you have to multiply with this 5. Okay, then this x square becomes what? 5x square. Okay, it will be 5x square. But in this case you can cancel these two, then only 3x will remain, minus here also only 13 will remain. On the right side, this is 0 is the multiplicative identity, so if you multiply any number with 0 you get 0 only. So this will be our final answer. Once again, let's review. Here we are given these two, minus 13 by 5 and minus 3 by 5, and also product of 0, sum of 0 are product of zeros and sum of zeros. Product is 13 by 5, sum of minus 3 by 5. Here, given x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. Here alpha plus beta indicates this value minus 3 by 5 and minus 13 by 5. So substitute this x plus beta by this, and then find to beta also with this. So we are building here, then we will get x square minus 3 by 5x plus here also minus 13 by 5 equal to 0. Since these two are enclosed in bracket, so you have to remove this bracket. He can remove the ngaya. To remove this bracket, you have to multiply the number which are inside this bracket with the sign preceding this bracket. Bracket match sign on. Here we have minus. Minus into minus will be plus. Plus into minus will be minus. So it will be x square plus 3 by 5x minus 13 by 5. Since this coefficient of x and the constant terms are fraction, rational number contain they are in the form of p by q, so you have to eliminate this 5, the denominator 5. I have 5 denominator. So to eliminate these, how will we do? You have to take LCM from these two denominators. The LCM from these two will be 5. It means you have to multiply each term by this 5. Okay, then here x square, it will be x square into 5 plus 3 by 5 into 5 x minus 13 by 5 into 5, and then the right side also 0 into 5. So it will be 5x square. Eliminate these two, then 3x square will remain here, minus, eliminate these two, then minus 13 will remain. If since 0 is the multiplicative identity, if you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0 only. So this will be our answer. Then question number 7 also. Find a quadratic polynomial. The sum and product of whose zeros are root 2 and minus 3 by 2 respectively. Also find its zeros. So in this case, let's do here this side. Number 7, we are given, let's solution, let's write, let px polynomial x be the required polynomial. Px hi kan polynomial du kalau ni ta se. So here we have an equation in a minpe. We have sum of zeros. sum of zeros, sum of zeros. We are given sum of zeros alpha plus beta kan tiang mo. Since it is the sum of the two values of x, alpha ka first value niya, beta is second value mo. It will be alpha plus beta. That value is root 2. Root 2 mo. Then another product of zeros also given. Product of zeros. It will be alpha into beta. That is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Therefore, polynomial px is given by x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Machi akan man thau kha. Ma polynomial zia nana kan man thau kha kan lamang leang. Polynomial kan zia dona wangin. So here x square you can take it down as it is. Then alpha plus beta is given in the equation. That is root 2. Then x plus alpha into beta minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Again here also this root 2 and minus 3 are enclosed with this bracket. So you have to remove this bracket. Let's remove here. Minus into plus, it will be minus root 2x. Plus into minus, it will be minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Here also this constant number, constant term are fraction. Constant term is fraction here. To eliminate these two, in denominator 2, you have to multiply each term by 2. Hey, he constant term, he fraction. Thau ni wang anuayami ti bonan hian a term zong zong hi 2 akan multiply ve ka ngai ni. Mo a right side thengin, hetilai right side ami thengin. So ni tinge lo ni tang x square into 2. Minus root 2 into 2. X minus 3 by 2 into 2 equal to 0 into 2. Okay. So multiply this. You will get 2x square. Then minus, in this case, since this 2 is under root, then this 2 is not with root. I hit root nen ani velo wang hi root nen omsia. How to multiply these two? The multiply ching and yang. Since here we don't have any number in front of this root 2, so coefficient kan soitin ma kan soitin thau kha. And coefficient of this root 2 is 1. Okay, if there is nothing, it means there is 1. Okay, eng ma injia kom lo chun 1 om angai oma ngai tora ni chu hemi 1 le etilai 2 hi multiply a coefficient le constant term 1 into 2 you will get 2 root 2x. Then minus, here you can eliminate these two, only minus 3 will remain. Then as I said, 0 is multiplicative identity. Then if you multiply these two, you will get 0 only. So this will be our required polynomial. Okay. Then number 6 in the homework. Question number 6 homework. Here you have to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial, and you have to verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. It means it is like question number 1. Question number 1 can explain to us khatiang ang chi khan ron to to ain ang chi verify to. Thank you.